Hello, this is Jim from TechBuzz. I'm going to give you a first look at the Taotronics Active Noise Cancelling Wireless Stereo Headphones. And these are the model TT-BH047. There's a couple of models which look similar if you're checking their site, but this is what they look like here. So I'm going to give you a quick look and unboxing first, and then we'll come back after the break and let you know what they sound like. And let's get straight into it. So we'll pop open the box here. So we've just got some simple plastic housing here to hold the goods, and we get some information here. So let's check out what we have inside the package. So we have our usual books and stuff. And the model is actually the TT-BH047 according to the booklet. We have a little gift card here to add extended warranty. We have micro USB for charging and 3.5mm just in case you run out of juice. Some gel for the trolls and a simple plastic bag to keep them covered up. So this is what they look like here. They're actually nice and light, which is important. And we have our extension arms here on both sides, and they seem pretty stable and solid. And they do collapse, which is handy for travelling. And they snap nicely into place there. We've got the branding on both sides there. Cups are nice and deep and nice leather material here. And we have our 3.5mm headphone jack there. We've got a mic, we've got an LED light here, our charging port here, and our plus and minus buttons there, which are nice and tactile, and you easily feel these blindly, which is important for headphones. And let's put them over the ears. And they fit nicely. So we'll come back to after the break with some sound reports. And also, before we go, we've more stuff here. We've got our ANC button here, and we've got our power on and off there by the looks of it. So there's your blue LED light there and your red. So this will be for charge and connection status here. And everything is on the one side, which is something I prefer, rather than having them split on both sides. So you've got your buttons front and rear, which is cool. And as I said, they're tactile, and they feel really nice, and as I said, you'll be able to navigate these blindly very simply. So we'll get back to you with a full review after the break, and we will talk to you then. And again, we've got a nice flexible band, and again a nice soft rubber type material here underneath for comfort. And that's it for now. We'll see you after the break. Hello, this is Jim. We're back with the Taotronics BH047. There's a lot of similar models, so be careful when you're checking them out. So overall, what do I think? For the price you're paying on these, you're paying around 50 quid, 60 quid. They're good. In short, they're good. They're not groundbreaking or anything like that, or will blow you away, but in general, all across, the music is fine. So what you do is to pair them up, you have the typical power on, and you can hear the voice there, and you will go to your phone, turn your Bluetooth on, and you will see that you have the Taotronics TT-BH047 and 80% battery. So you're going to get around 15 to 20 hours of usage out of one charge, which is not bad. And they're very light as well, and they cover the ears too. And again, you have nice deep pads on these, as you can see, with the branding here on both sides, and some padding underneath the headband here. So they're very light and very comfortable. I'm not a fan of thin headbands, but that's just my choice. And they will fit most people as well, which is important, and overall they're comfortable. The buttons are very tactile. Your ANC button here, which works well, but again, it's nothing like compared to the higher price brands, but nonetheless very good and effective. The padding alone will dampen most of the noise too. You've got your mic here on top, and the calls are good in them as well. You can see your Bluetooth LED light here, and you have your 3.5mm headphone jack and your charging port here, so if you run out of juice you have your cables there, another typical affair. And you have your volume up and down here as well, which is fine, and you can skip a track by pressing as well. So they have all the mods and cons. They are foldable and portable. Pity they didn't come with a charging or a carry case, but you can't really complain. But overall, buttons tactile, everything has worked fine. As I said, 15 to 20 hours out of one charge, so pretty good. Comfort as well. Sound is great across all kinds of stages as well, like your Spotify, YouTube, and your sound on your whatever music you have saved to your device, from what I use to test normally. And decent enough bass as well, which people like. But again, you can use your own music equalizer if you have one, and there's no app with this, so you just have to stick with what you have, or else download a third party equalizer. But overall, pretty good for the money. Can't complain, and we have a discount code for this as well. We'll stick it up in the description and under the review. And for the price, you can't complain. There's not many headphones out there at this price point with ANC and comfort level. But again, these aren't as loud as I'd like, but that's just my choice. But something to take in mind. I like loud headphones, and that's really it. For the money, you can't really go wrong. So check them out. We'll leave a link below, and talk to you in the next one. And of course, any questions, hit me up.